Hi everyone, today is the last part of the flavoring agent and perfumes. And today we learn about peppermint oil. The common name of peppermint oil is mentha, pudina and pudina. Biological source of pudina is consists of leaf and flowering top of Mentha spicta, Mentha viridis and Mentha piperita. The family is Labiaceae. The geographical source, it is found Britain, France, Germany, Europe, North Africa and widely cultivated in United States, and in India it is cultivated all over the India. Okay, the chemical constituent is the chief constituent of peppermint is a volatile oil which is present 2 to 5%, menthol 10 to 30%, and next menthol and I-carbon, I-limonene, peppertone, methafuron 5 to 10%. Next is come the uses. It is used as stimulant, carminative and antipasmotic, flavoring agent in a chewing gums, toothpaste, confectionery and pharmaceutical preparation, and pasmolytic. Next is sandalwood. The common name of the sandalwood is a yellow sandalwood, Lignum santalli. The biological source, it is consists of dried hardwood, mention that dried hardwood of Santalum album, and the family is Santalaceae. It is found in not all over the India, basically Rajasthan, Maharashtra, MP, UP, Assam, Bihar, Gujarat and Orissa, and other than Malaya and archipelago it is found. In morphological character, for the wood, the size is length 1 meter and the diameter is 15 to 20 centimeter. Then the surface is smooth with uniform fibers. Color is yellowish or pale reddish, and the odor is strong, fragrant, and the taste is slightly bitter. The characteristic of the oil, it is the wood portion and it is the oil portion. The oil color is pale yellow, golden yellow or nearly colorless. Odor is a pleasant, sweet and persistent. Taste is very slight, bitter, and the consistency is viscid or oily. It is not a clear oil. Standard is not required here. Chemical constituents, volatile oil contain alpha and beta santalene, alpha beta santalol, isovaldehyde, santalone and santanone, etc. Okay. Next is uses. It is used as a source of a sandalwood oil. It is used for healing wounds, for blister caused by the smallpox vaccination, for the treatment of dysuria, gonorrhea and cough. The sandalwood oil along with the knife oil has been used of contraceptive. The wood is used for carving and preparation of boxes, jewels and cases, etc. Adulterant is not required. Next is the lemongrass oil. And the common name of lemongrass oil is lemongrass. Biological source, it is the volatile oil distilled from the Chimpogone flexus and the Citrus septa. The family belong to the Germaniae, and the Chimpogone flexus is found in to the India and in mainly found in Tani Valley, Travancore and Cochin, mainly the south part of the India. And the Citrus septa is cultivated in Java, Ceylon, Burma, Madagascar, etc. And in India, the species is found Punjab, Bombay, Baroda and Mysore. The characteristics of the oil is the first is color of the oil. It is reddish yellow to brown. Next is the odor and taste. The taste of and odor both are as that of lemon. The solubility is lemongrass oil is soluble in 70% of alcohol, and the stability gradually decrease with the storage. As further you store, the stability decrease then slowly. Okay. Then standard is not required. In chemical constituents, it is contain many citral trace of linalool, citronellal, geraniol, limonene, pyrophenylene, etc. Okay, then it is used. Oil is used in perfumery, soaps, cosmetics, and as a mosquito repellent. Okay, it is used for isolation of citral, which is used for manufacture of ions. The beta ion is used for the synthesis of the vitamin A. Storage is very important. It is for applicable for both the perfumes and fragments, both the perfumes and the flavoring agent on the exposure to the air or in presence of moisture. The citral content oil decrease and density increases. Lemongrass oil should dried and stored in airtight oil-filled containers protected from light and moisture. The storage is important for not only for lemongrass, it is important for sandalwood. Same preparation for sandalwood, peppermint, then lemon oil, orange oil, both. Okay.